Today I'm teaching you and dear Ellie how to talk like a native American speaker using idioms and slang words. So without further ado, let's go. The Valentine is coming.
Yeah.
And you know what, Ellie?
What?
I like a girl, but I couldn't tell her that I like
Why?
her because I've got cold feet.
Cold feet?
Yeah,
You got cold feet?
yeah, I've got
What
cold
does it mean?
feet. It means I've got nervous.
Oh.
Yeah, I've got doubts. I've got nervous.
Why?
I couldn't. I mean, come on. If I tell her, but if she, I mean,
Reject you?
yeah, that's why I always. That's why I always don't propose. I don't propose, and I just think, hey, I'm so man. If I just propose and that person says no, oh, are you like this? I mean, when you like someone, I mean, you go for it or you just wait
No,
for
I'm
it?
a girl.
Yeah, of course,
I
obviously.
wait.
If you were a boy,
If I was a boy.
you would say, or
Yeah,
Hmm.
it's boy's job. Man's
Really?
job. Yeah.
But I think if it's meant to be, you just don't need to propose, you know? If you just
No.
wipe, yeah, because there is a quote, I don't have a type. If we wipe, we wipe. I just do believe in that quote because
No.
I think if you want to wipe with a person, you will wipe. Just, you don't need to propose, you don't need to try. I don't believe in trying. Because a relationship is not based, yes, it is based on trying.
Okay.
Okay, no. Like discuss,
Yes, it is
discuss.
based on
Yes,
try.
it is based, yes, just discuss and just talk to me. I
I'm
say,
a girl.
yes, no,
I just
I
get
say, yeah, I know, but no. Nowadays, 21st century, it's not like that. You like someone, you need to try for that
Yeah.
person, okay?
Obviously.
But, obviously. But if that person, she doesn't like you back, it's you that's trying, and she sees you're trying,
Yeah.
and she likes you.
Yeah.
Because of your trying, not because of you. I mean, I say,
She doesn't know you. Why should she like you?
yeah, that's the point.
You should get close to her.
I don't
and
want to.
She gets to know you.
I don't want to because I say, hey, I try, I spend my
You should be a
time.
teacher.
No, it's not like that. No, because let me say something. I spend my time and let me say something. Let me tell you something. I spend my time and energy, and after I don't know 2 or 3 months, she doesn't like me back. So what then?
2 or 3 months, yeah.
Yeah, so I don't want that 2 or 3 months. I don't have the time, you know?
After
That's the case.
4 or 5 days,
Yeah.
you will understand her feelings.
No, I just want to talk to her father. I just want to talk to her father and say, hey man, just like your daughter. I want to propose. You in? And he's like, yeah. And I want to buy a ring and without nowhere, just want to just propose. And that way. I mean,
You
this
live
is
in
the
your
man.
dream.
This is the man. The real man, they do this. Not just, hey, want to be boyfriend and girlfriend? No.
You need to hang out with that girl and...
No.
Why?
No, because she can fake. She can fake it.
No.
No?
No.
I don't know.
There is something you can understand her faking.
Maybe.
That's unknown conscious.
You mean subconscious?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. But yeah, I know, but I don't know. I'm not into it. But yeah.
You just need to be a
maybe
smart.
I do this on Valentine's Day. I'm gonna tell her that, hey, baby, I like you. With a grand...
If that day she rejects you.
Yeah, I'm gonna hate Valentine's Day forever.
Every day. Every
Yeah, I mean
year.
last Valentine's Day, I mean last year,
Yeah.
I had a girlfriend. She was like, you're not a very normal girl, but she's Chinese girl. that, yeah, she just cooked like Chinese dishes for everyone. And we invited some other couples, like two other couples.
Yeah.
And you know what?
What?
Both of them, they broke up on that day. And on that party, it was like us, one couple, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 other single people. And they were all looking at us and like,
What a Valentine
and
Day.
they were like this. Your couple? We hate Valentine's Day. They all, yeah, something like that. And it was like my story of the last Valentine's Day. But this year, it's gonna rock. It's gonna rock, actually. It's gonna be the best Valentine's Day ever.
I hope.
Yeah, I'm reading a new book, and it's a novel, but it's so hard, it's so complicated, you know?
Yeah.
I'm just start reading and I understand nothing. It's all Greek to me.
What?
It's all Greek to me. It's like, it's not English, it's
Yeah,
like
yeah.
Greek. I mean, I don't understand it. So when you want to say, I don't understand something, you can say, hey, it's all Greek to me.
It's all Greek to me.
Yeah, again, it's not all.
It's all
Yes,
Greek to me.
because
All.
when you learn something,
Yeah.
like you were a kid and you learn something, it's so difficult to change it because it's in your subconscious
Yeah.
and your unconscious mind, and you cannot like alter it. It's hard to alter. It's hard to change, but it's not all or all. No, all.
All.
Something between o and all, like all from here.
All.
Yeah, not owl. It's
All.
like owl. Like,
All.
yeah, it's a bird, but all.
All.
That's all. Okay, it's good. Just don't hate yourself. Yeah, you
It's
can.
all.
Yeah, it's all Greek to me.
It's all Greek to me.
Yeah, just focusing on all. It's
Yeah,
all
yeah.
no. It's all Greek to me. It's just
All Greek
simply
to me.
simple. I told you, just be casual. When you casually say something, it's more native. You want to talk like a native? Be
It
casual.
rhymes good.
Yeah, it rhymes good. I mean, but when you stress so hard, just it's all Greek to me because you're trying to pronounce it like correctly, and this trying is the reason.
Tone will be.
Yes, this
ruined.
trying is the reason that you're not native. You know what the native would say? Yo, it's all Greek to me.
It's
like-
all Greek to me.
It's all Greek to me. Just
It's all Greek.
casually. Yes, sometimes you have to show and act with your face, with your body, but not just when you're talking to your friends, because you don't have the
all
mood, you don't have the feelings, because you're just, yo, it's all Greek to me. I don't understand it. Just, yeah, good handwriting, by the way.
Thank you.
I ghosted her.
Ghosted her.
Yeah, I had a date like 2 days ago, but I ghosted her.
What does it mean?
It means I left without telling her.
Oh.
Yeah.
Teacher.
Yeah, that's
Shame on you.
yeah, shame on me. But you know, actually, we went on a date, but it didn't went well.
But you could tell her.
Yes, but I was busy. But no, I'm not.
Teacher.
I say, I mean, I would say in these circumstances, but she was like so annoying. Yeah, she
That's
was-
an excuse.
that is an excuse
I'm
because
angry.
yeah, because she was like talking to me about the things that maybe it's just like
she wasn't your vibe.
yeah,
What?
she was not my vibe, but it's like she was like disrespecting
But
me.
You
She was disrespecting me.
How?
Yeah, she was like talking, hey, don't do this, do this. I was like, what? You're talking to me?
Kinda.
I'm the man. I should tell you what to do.
What?
Yes, no, but I'm kidding. But yeah, she was like, I don't like to be ordered. I don't like a
But
girl tell me what to
you
do.
could tell her.
Yes,
Not
I'm
ghosting.
Kidding. I'm kidding. I didn't ghost. I was just because of teaching. I said it. I'm not. I don't ghost people. Yeah, but yeah, but to be honest, I did once 6 or 7 years ago because she was crazy. This time she was
Teacher.
crazy. She was crazy. She was like torturing me mentally, and she was like, yeah, blackmailing me. I mean, I
my
cannot
God.
tell it in front of the camera because of the like guidelines. But yeah, she was like crazy, and she just
Okay,
that
we
was
can accept.
her fault. Yeah, but this time no, I didn't.
No.
I was like texting and yeah, hey, we actually it wasn't
You
our.
are mature.
Yeah, I am mature enough. Come on.
Yeah.
Yes, see? Mature. This is mature. Yeah, but yeah. Okay. So don't ghost anyone.
Yeah.
I mean,
Of
did
course.
you?
No.
Yes. You look
No.
like you at least you ghost 3 or 4 people.
No.
You look like it. Come
Okay,
on.
10.
Yeah, yeah, 10. Oh.
Okay, don't look at me like that.
No,
20.
I'm not judging you. Hey, I'm not judging you. If you say 10, 20, it's okay, but yeah. But don't ghost anymore.
Sometimes it's necessary.
It's necessary,
Yeah.
yes. Some people that they don't know their lines.
They are
I mean,
crazy.
yeah, they
People are getting crazy.
Yeah. I mean, if you just pass that line,
Yeah.
yeah, you deserve to be ghosted.
Yeah.
But we should be like therapists, right? If we were like there was no people like in a relationship, all single, everyone
Yeah.
single, like, hey,
What happened?
thank you. I don't know. I mean, I can't change it anymore. I did something bad.
Teacher,
Yeah.
you did lots of bad things today.
Yes, today. But I told something to one of my friends. I mean, again, it was like a recommendation.
Gossip?
No, not gossip. I mean, he asked me something, and I was just suggesting that, hey, maybe if you do this, you will have its own perks. Like, you will just go straight. But it went bad.
Oh.
Yeah. So now the ship has sailed.
What?
The ship has sailed.
The ship has sailed.
Yeah. I mean, I can't change it anymore. When you want to say you can't change something anymore,
Yeah.
you can say, the ship has sailed.
The ship has sailed.
Yeah. Sailed.
Sailed.
D-E-D, like sailed. Okay. Yeah. But I think I mean, it wasn't like his love life. It was something with money.
Oh.
But yeah, he was just asking me about like
Investing?
yes, investing on a digital coin currency, these kind of things. I didn't know, but I was like, yeah, buy it. It's good. And he bought it. And
It went bad.
yeah, actually.
2 hours later.
Yeah. But I can't tell him that I didn't know because I just want to say, hey, I know everything. So I comment everywhere about anything. So that's a bad thing. I shouldn't do it.
Maybe next time.
Maybe next time. Yeah. Sorry, man. I can't take it anymore.
What?
I just can't take it anymore. Oh,
What do you mean?
I just can't live anymore.
What? We need you, teacher.
No. I'm at my wit's end.
What?
I'm at my wit's end.
I'm at my wits.
End. Yeah.
What
It
does
means-
it mean?
I can't take it anymore. The life, I mean, the people,
You're so hopeless.
yeah. Maybe I'm gonna do something with my life. So, In American English, when you want to say, I can't take it anymore, you can say, I'm at my wit's end.
I'm at
Wits,
my wit's
wits,
end.
W-I-T''S, end, wit's end.
Mm-hmm.
So I can't just take it anymore. I can't just continue living, etc.
Like this.
So yeah, like that. I mean, have you had this feeling?
I think everyone
Yeah.
once, at least once,
Mm.
had
I
this
can
feeling.
I can say that by just watching your wallpaper.
No, it's not that bad.
Just show it to them. It is that bad.
No,
It's just like,
it's pretty.
it is not pretty. You need to get
Write
help.
us in the comments.
You need help, my friend. You need help. You need other people to
No, teacher.
help
I'm
you.
good.
Okay. Thank God. So that was all about today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to watch other videos as well. It's free English class. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. I'm gonna help you. Believe me. Just tell them.
Yeah,
Yeah.
believe in him.
Yeah, she said. Okay. Okay, you wanna say something?
No.
Thank you. And yeah, that was all about it. Have a great day. Bye.